Hey Collier family, in today's video, Nicole's going to provide an update regarding the 2022 tax season and when to expect your tax documents. So let's jump into it. When can I start expecting my tax documents?
Most securities that clients own fall into a category that financial institutions consider non-complex with the simplest tax information. The taxable information on these securities is reported on a consolidated 1099 tax statement, also known as a 1099-C. You will generally see these arrive in the mail late January to mid-February, and they send them out in alphabetical order, so usually over a 3 to 4 week period. For your distributions from your retirement account, you'll receive a 1099-R, and these are mailed out on January 31st. All of the documents are available on your Account View LPL online access once they are mailed out, and you'll find them under the Documents tab. So if you're looking to schedule a meeting with your accountant, late February or early March are reasonable times to get together.
What if my tax document is more complex?
Some investments are considered more complex by the IRS. The parent companies for these investments have until January 31st to get the tax information to LPL, so LPL can then generate your 1099. Generally, you can expect to receive these tax documents in the latter part of February, with the more complex 1099s showing up in the first few weeks of March.
Will I get all of my tax documents before the tax filing deadline?
Not all tax documents are required or able to be sent to clients before the April tax filing deadline. Generally, this is because individuals can still take certain action on items prior to that final date. For instance, the tax document that tracks IRA contributions is called a 5498, and that document usually comes out in late May. This gives an individual the chance to still make IRA contributions up until that final tax deadline. Similarly, you're not going to receive your tax document for your Coverdell Education Savings account until the end of April.
How should I keep track of my IRA contributions?
The best practice for keeping record of your retirement account contributions is to keep a copy of the monthly statement in which you made the contribution. That way, if the IRS asks about it, you can show the line item, transaction, and proof that you made that contribution for that year. Once you get your 5498, then you can replace that monthly statement with that tax document.
What about required minimum distributions for 2022?
Required minimum distribution calculations are based on your retirement account's value as of December 31st for the previous year. We have already started reviewing the calculations provided by LPL and other companies. If this is your first year to take your RMD, we are going to sit down in our first meeting of 2022 to go over the process. If you've already started taking your RMDs, wonderful. We'll be reviewing that as well in your first meeting of 2022.
There you have it, Collier family, a quick update on when to expect your tax documents. We here at Collier want to thank you for your continued trust as we kick off 2022. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. And from the entire Collier team, take care. We look forward to your next visit.